We just robbed the van.
Are you guys
And
proud
now-
of us?
And now we have $8 billion.
Fords, they can see our
We have $8 billion, and if you don't,
Oh yeah, we do have $8 billion. Yes,
if
totally.
you don't subscribe to us, and if you don't like this video, then we're going to rob you.
Ooh, let's go.
Okay, jokes aside, what is this?
We basically
This
robbed.
gambling. This gambling. I want to go gamble. There's a gambling. There's a gambling bag.
Oh, like. Ooh.
There's
Let's
classes.
go. Let's go. Here. Let's go easy mode. Let's do 2. Let's go. Hurry! Let's see how much money we can get.
We have to gang up on them.
Oh look, Jane Doe.
Where?
Jane Doe.
Jane Toenails! I think that's the owner of the house.
Oh God.
Why can't the henchman help us?
Skip. I mean, we have to like, I don't know.
How do we do the lock pick? This
I
is like
don't know.
Dandy's World.
Yeah, but I don't know how.
Oh, this is no. Wait, I think we're supposed to keep the red and the yellow. We're supposed to keep the yellow.
Oh wait, never mind. I'm gonna unlock it. Don't worry, I got
I
this.
think I already unlocked it.
I got it. Oh wait, hold up. There's the man. Okay, wait. Let's go somewhere else. Let's
Wait,
go
I'm
somewhere
gonna
else.
break something so he comes there, but then we're gonna skip. Oh, then we're gonna stop.
Oh, look.
I think I just got shot. Let's go.
No, it's okay, Fords. Come on.
Who's got to learn then?
I'm inside.
Alright, let me just alert
Make sure to not get caught. I swear, if you get caught again.
Bro, this is so scary.
And we were planning to do a horror game, and this is scary.
No, it's like I'm so nervous.
Yeah, me too.
Why just
How is
where's the man? Where's the man?
us robbing been this scary?
Where's the man? Where's-
I'm stealing already.
Let just alert bro over here.
Okay, we're doing good. Okay, we're doing good. Let's see.
I'm hiding. I'm
You could get from upstairs.
but I'm gonna keep alerting bro.
Oh wait, this could be This
I'm
could
alerting bro.
that could be like our
I'm distracting bro.
exit process.
Where's bro? Where's bro? I don't know where bro is.
I'm gonna take their toilet.
I can't see where bro is. I just want
Ford, you still upstairs? I wait, no, I still up here and you still down there.
But no bro's down here.
Okay, never mind then. Nothing. Okay.
Wait, let me check where bro is real quick.
I'm gonna get this. I'm gonna get that.
Oh my god, I'm not scared.
I'm scared about the van.
I'm scared about the police.
Oh look, I'm getting paintings. Leg. Oh wow, leg.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
Oh, Ford, there's like that bar thing. Don't.
Oh wait, there's a. Wait, I just got a trampoline. I'm on the second floor now.
Okay, nice.
But I can't.
Fords, don't. Do you see that bar thingy right there?
The rubber?
Try not to fill that up because that's when the police get notified.
But how do I get inside without breaking it? The window.
Go through. Where are you? Oh,
Bro's down there.
what
I'm
room
up
are you?
here.
What
Over
room are
here.
you?
Over here.
Say this. Okay.
No, here by the stairs.
No. Not that room. What room? Oh, I see. Okay, 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 okay.
Do I have to break this and then go down?
No, can you go any other room?
Ah, yeah. But this is gonna be sketchy.
Let me see. Let me see. What room are you in?
Over here.
I just got me. Where's got
Go
me?
down, go down, go down. Run! Run! Wait, let me alert, bro. Oh, that ain't gonna work.
That ain't gonna work. Bro, saw me. Okay, hold up. I have a big
Bro.
bag. Big bag. Big bag. Big bag. Big bag. Yeah, my bag is low.
You die?
Yeah. Okay, it's okay. It's okay.
Oh my god. Where even is Bruno? Can you respect it? That's your bag. This is not.
I have 2 bags.
This is at least gonna take not 30 minutes.
No, we can.
Started earlier.
Yeah, it's okay. We got 7 gold, 8 gold.
We should have started like 35 minutes.
What?
After we played the other game, we should have started earlier. Yeah, I only have limited time, bro.
I know, bro.
Okay,
We just have to be quick then.
okay, bro. Can you like distract the guy for a sec because I'm gonna turn off the power. Wait, I feel like that's gonna alert the.
Wait, no, hold up. Let's go plan. Come with me.
No, wait, I know what to do. I'm gonna intrude from the backyard. Oh wait, I can steal that.
I think Bro's upstairs.
Bro's upstairs. Yeah, Bro's upstairs. I'm gonna try and distract Bro.
How do I what do I do with this? Bro, what do I even do with this?
You have to disconnect it. Like it's like Among Us wires.
I can't disconnect it though.
Where do you hide though?
Honestly, we can hide anywhere. Just try not to go get into the bodyguards.
Should I open a window? Should I break one?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna break one upstairs. I already got something.
Just try not to get into Bro's sight.
Pudding.
Okay, yeah, you alerted him. Good.
Wait,
Have to be quick. This is scary.
it's gross. Oh my god. Hold up. Get outside. I'm gonna break one window. Oh, that's a legendary.
Try to keep him.
Oh, he's downstairs.
Try to keep him distracted. Hold up. Did you distract him?
Yeah.
Oh, forward, sure. Bro's gonna get me.
Get outside. Wait, I'm gonna distract you.
Okay, good.
Be careful.
I'm out. Okay, you steal. Upstairs. You steal
Oh no,
upstairs.
Bro's in the place. Why the
Wait for him. Look, we're doing kind of fast.
Okay. Oh, bro. I think we're just.
Bro's downstairs. Go.
Alright, I just fell from upstairs to downstairs. So, not really, but
We have to actually hit him later because we're gonna get his key card.
what's that key card for?
You just have to, okay? Trust.
I can steal the TV, but it's gonna take a long time. And I might get caught.
When Bro gets upstairs, you hide somewhere, okay?
Alright, I'm gonna go outside.
I'll tell you when Bro gets up.
Okay, I got out of
Okay,
the
okay.
window.
Good.
Hmm.
Oh gosh!
This one near back me.
We also have to be quick though. Because there's a time. That's what I'm scared about.
I'm gonna distract you. Are you downstairs?
Yeah. Bro, distract him.
Oh, then I just broke something.
We have to get him, but once we get him, the police will get alerted. So we have to be quick. So we get him after we get most of the stuff, alright?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go upstairs.
I just broke something upstairs.
I said we're gonna go upstairs.
Yeah, I'm upstairs.
Hold up, the CCTV will see me.
Can't you just break the cameras?
Try.
No, that's not possible. I'm already up here, but Bruce also up in the room. No, it's Bruce no longer in the room. We could do something. Oh no, it's Bruce still in the room.
Whoop. Sure.
Yeah. The last time where he died in the balcony.
Okay, I can't go there. I'll try to break something and then you go. There you go.
He's coming up here.
I just broke something.
Just let me wait for Bruce to get up. I just got something. Boom. Oh, I almost got shot by the security camera. The guardian kept. Okay, just need a little bit more and then we got that we need. Wait, this is kind of the stuff though. There's a blue right now.
Oh, bro almost saw me. Okay.
Where is bro?
Bro's upstairs. Go distract him from downstairs. Break something.
I don't know what to break. Half of the things are broken down here. I'm fine.
Okay, bro's out. We steal.
I just broke something. It's coming down right now.
Nice.
Let me go steal something. I was gonna break one of his windows.
Nice. Ports, can you kill him? I'm gonna kill him. Oh, help me kill him. Help me kill him.
Where are you?
Upstairs.
Dude, I just called them. You have everything? I got the police card.
I get the key card. Hold up.
Here you go.
Let me do something.
Where did you gone? What's happening? Do you have all of the stuff?
Almost. Hold up. I'm stealing.
What is that? Okay,
There's so much money.
complete. Go back here.
Oh, that's so much. I stole from him and I got so much.
Yeah, I know. Go back. Get. Hurry up.
Oh, someone else is watching.
Oh,
We have to get the police.
what do you mean?
Come on.
Get the police?
For the key card, man.
Oh. Where's the key card for?
For a lot of... Oh, wait. Never mind. I think we're okay now. Let's go. We just broke something.
What's that?
I don't know.
All players must hit the
Okay.
league.
Woo! We did it. We didn't get to 100%, but hey, we still left some stuff for them. At least they still have one more TV, right? Yeah, we did that successfully. That's all, guys. See you guys next time. Bye.